Hello everyone. So today, tonight, in the morning, whichever time you're watching, this is Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Nancy. So I'm making a chicken dish. I have some rice and broccoli and cauliflower that I cooked the other night left over. And you know what I mean, I love making different things with leftovers. So stay. Hello and welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Nancy. So today I am making a leftover dish with my chicken, rice and broccoli and cauliflower, but I'm adding chicken. But I'm going to cook the chicken a little bit before I put it all in the oven to bake. So I'm going to start to preheat the oven and everything. And let me show y'all what I'm going to be doing. So, we're going to use this coconut since I have it. I've been wanting to use this for a while, just to see about cooking something, differently with besides the olive oil. Even though olive oil is really good and everything, I want to try this just to see. Some falling apart, so let me sweep whatever up. There we go. Alright. These cup towels never stay on the handle of the stove. So here is my chicken. We're going to put this over here for a moment. Here's my chicken. And I did stop the Daniel fast. I will be explaining that Wednesday night on the live. What happened. Oh my goodness. It's a lot going on with that. And I'm going to give some secrets away. Because there's a lot of things I found out about what I can eat, what I can't eat. Alright. So I am just going to season this with salt. I'm not using the black pepper that we have. Probably nothing wrong with that. But just not this time. I'm going to try and get some different pepper. And I'm using my turmeric ginger blend. And sometimes it's a little bit much. But that's okay. We can fix that. And let's see here if I can get this flipped. And this is a nice piece of chicken. I mean, we got some chickens that are like twice as big as this. So I'll get this all coated in that coconut and everything. There we go. So another thing you could do if you want to have your chicken cook faster, you can slice it, you can cut it in half, you can thin it out, cut it in strips, or make it like cut it in half, almost like you're going to fillet it. So, and then I know it's easier when you go to, so like eat, you've already got it already sliced in the pieces that you wanted. Make an easy cleanup here. Alrighty. So we're going to let this heat up, and then we'll cook on one side and we'll cook on the other side. I'll bring it back in a few minutes. Okay, so most of it's done. I mean, And it's just the middle that needs to be worked on. So what I'm going to show y'all is my rice. And I'm just going to lay this, I'm going to put it all in here. That was a lot left, but that's alright. So I'm going to put this all in here. Because, you know, if you got leftovers, you can have it again on 1 or 2 days. And I'm going to put the chicken right on top. And all those juices goes right on in. Alright. So then we're going to stick this in the oven. And I'm going to let this bake for about 45 minutes. Because I want that chicken to be done. And I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes or so. So let's take this out and see what this chicken looks like. Woohoo! There we go. Get a knife and cut it open. And let's see if this is done. We'll do the big side. No, not by a long shot. So we're going to stick this, I'm just going to cut it open. And then that way the inside can cook. And we'll stick this back in for about 30 more minutes. Alrighty. I'll probably put it up to like 375. That way. There we go. We'll up the temp a little bit. Alright, we're ready to see if this is done. Woohoo! Alright, here we go. This looks so good. And the chicken has that nice little crunch on it and everything. And so does the rice. Alright. So, let's see here. Let's get my knife. Cut just a little piece. There we go. Ooh, all nice and it looks cheesy, even though I didn't put any cheese in it. Alright. But I don't want to burn my mouth. Oh, it's so good. So, there we go. Then you could take a cheese sauce and put on top of it. Be excellent. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for being here. God bless. Stay safe. We love you. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Off of Golf Nancy.